All right, man. So now we got the. So tell them what you just did and what we finna do, man.
All right, man. So we just adjusted the B&B new shifter kit. I went in and adjusted the shifter from the top, and then I went to the bottom and adjusted the shifter on the transmission to make sure that it go in the neutral, reverse, drive, and all those things. So right now we're gonna show y'all what we got going, what I just done in this last 5 minutes.
Yeah, man. The boy's fast, man. Doing exactly what he's doing, man. And
there we go.
There we go, baby. Let's get it. Hit it.